Hello, welcome to Melmore Stables. We're here on a nice sunny afternoon. We're in the village of Burneside, which is just about 3 miles outside of Kendal. I just turned my camera there. You can see we're on a quiet road just right by the station in Burneside. And we've got a nice detached stone-built property which has just come available for rent, and we're going to take a look through. So out here you've got a bit of a off-road parking opportunity, a little bit of a garden. I just pan round there, and you can walk right the way around the house from the left hand side there. So let's take a look inside. So we're going through the front door, and as you come in, you come to a small little hall, and then to your left you've got this lovely fitted kitchen. It's got nice granite work surfaces over the top. We've got a gas hob, electric oven, 1.5 sink bowl drainer, and it's nice attractive cream coloured units. When I spin round here you can see that this rental comes with a side-by-side American style fridge freezer, lots of space for you to store away all your kitchen items, and a nice bright kitchen. There is a back door which leads to the rear of the property, which will take you out at the end. But an unusual design, this one, and we're just going through a door here off the kitchen which takes us into the ground floor bedroom, which is a double. You can see there we've got double doors going out to the front of the property, and the walls are just plastered, painted in a cream colour. As I say, good for a double bed, and it has its own ensuite facility. So we've got a walk-in shower with electric shower. We've got a wall hug sink, and we've got a WC. So that's bedroom 1, which, as I say, has its own little ensuite arrangement. Now if we walk back through the kitchen, we can take our way into the living room. So the living room is a good size, plenty of space here for 3-piece suite, television table, etc. And again, a nice light room. Walking to the rear elevation at the moment, and if I spin round you can take a look at the room from the other end, and you can see we've got a rather attractive spiral staircase, wall-hung electric fire. Now this staircase takes us up to the second bedroom. Slightly quirky design, but you know, it's a period property. You very often find that they're a little bit hard to predict as you're walking around. We do have a little landing area when we get to the top of the staircase, and in that cupboard there, if I open that up, that's where the gas-fired boiler is, so a place to store away a few items, hang a few coats, etc. And then we make our way into the second bedroom. So this one again is a double, and it has a very long range of cupboards and hanging spaces in those wardrobes. All those doors slide in different combinations, and we have this double French door looking out to the rear of the property. And if I just open these doors, you can have a look at the immediate surround to Melmore. So the ground down there and this side of the picket fence is all within the rental property's grounds. We spin round and you can get an idea that you're in a rather sort of villagey style setting. And this is just a fire escape actually that leads down from the back of bedroom 2. So bedroom 2 also comes with its own ensuite facility. And you can see in here we've got a big corner bath. There's an electric shower over that corner bath, vanity style wash hand basin, and a WC. So that's Melmore Stables, 2-bedroomed period style detached cottage, village of Burneside. Nice fitted kitchen, good sized living room area, off-road parking. And yeah, a lovely rental. So if you want to express any further interest, please do get in touch with Hunters.